This is day one of my 1971 F100. Wish me luck. It's been 2 hours. I've done nothing. This feels dangerous. Quality hood work we got here. You gotta. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave her there. This is a bad idea. This is a really bad idea. Yeah, we're gonna go one from the side. I am nervous. That scared me. What's the worst you can have there? That's the worst that could happen. That's gonna wake the baby. Perfect. So I bought this thing from a guy. You know, he told me it was rust-free. Believed him pretty good. And the backstory is that this truck had a tree fall on it when Hurricane Hugo hit. Hasn't moved since till I got it. So, we're gonna see what we can do. Hey, it's me again. I don't know what time it is. It took an embarrassingly long time to get the grill and that stuff off. I'm tired, so I think I'm gonna go to bed. But I'll give you a quick walkthrough. So for tonight, got the hood off, got the grill and other stuff that was in there off. That's no good. And then I ended up, got tired of messing with rusty bolts. Pulled the floor pad carpet thing out of here and realized I should probably just try to find a new cab, but you can't worry about that stuff. So this is how it ends off.